was gifted the Crumble Crate monthly baking subscription, and when I say that seeing this box on my doorstep is the best day of my month, I truly am not exaggerating. Every kit comes with pre-measured ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and unique baking tools that I can use time and time again. With the air getting crisp and the pumpkin spice lattes coming out in full swing, I was so excited for this month's box, pumpkin spice hand pies. This was my first time making a pie crust from scratch, and I was so proud of myself. The finished product seriously tasted like something out of a pastry shop. I now feel so confident that I could make this time and time again. From almond raspberry tarts to lavender macarons, I've learned to bake so many new recipes with Crumble Crate. They offer a variety of different monthly baking subscriptions, but you can also order single kits on their website, and honestly, they make the best gifts. Each baking kit has a different difficulty level, so you can choose which recipe you prefer based on your skill level. I love that it comes with pre-packaged and pre-measured ingredients, so I'm not wasting my money at the store buying too much of something that I'll never use again. These turned out so good. I'm seriously obsessed with this. I love supporting small female-owned businesses, and I can't wait to make these hand pies again for Thanksgiving.